Hi guys, I am welcoming you all in my new project. This is a bit different. This one is architectural visualization, interactive architectural visualization. As you can see, this is one of my uh, long I haven't done the architectural project quite a long time, but this is my one of the project from one of the clients actually. So as you can see here, this is the I just make it as simple as it is. As you can see, these are the simple menus, and you can see the ground floor, you can see the first floor to top floor, rooftop, floor with furniture, and the complete building. So this is right now you are seeing the building is rotating. This one is the home page, I mean the main menu page. As you can see, so you can, yeah, obviously with the mouse you can rotate, you can do whatever, right side rotate, left side rotate. Okay, you can view the building. And let's say I want to go to the so the idea was, the client idea was to, the first floor will be a kind of like a shopping center, and then the rest of the floors, there are 8 floors, the rest of the floors will be the apartments, units actually, so 4 units, but the place is a bit, very tight, so it's like his demand was to, kind of like split it in a 4 unit, um kind of like a very small congested, but it's a commercial option, so as like his demand, I am doing this one. Okay, so this one is, by the way, this one is done by completely me. The design and all that, everything is from the scratch. It's not final, but it's a proposal actually. He can adopt or he can change anything. Just this is a first draft, as you can see. And you can see this building is just the, albedo color. I haven't used any kind of material yet. This is the first draft presentation. You can say there is no material, only the colors. I use only the colors because I don't know the, his preference, the color preference and all that. So it's just a demo, so that's why I make it so hurriedly. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see here, there are ground floor. If I go to the ground floor, then the view is changed, and you can see the building is showing the ground floor, as you can see. And by the way, you can move the camera by WASD key, like a the RTS game, you can zoom in, zoom out, and all that. So yeah, this one is got the, this is the stall size, 10 by 10 feet, 10 feet by 10 feet. Okay, stall, and there are two bathroom or toilet. You can see the 5 feet and 10 feet long. So one for maybe a woman, one for maybe men or something. Yeah, and lift facilities, and the stairs. A pretty simple, very basic thing. Yeah, and this is kind of like this type is kind of like a seating position. So it's like, yeah, and this is a footpath way. By the way, this is a kind of like a small pathway to connect from this location, from here to the main road. This is the main road, by the way. This is the main road. Okay, so yeah, and here hit M to see, to hide the measurement. If I hit M on the keyboard, the measurement is gone. If I hit M again, the measurement is come back again. So it's a simple interaction to see the measurements of this one. And then go to the first floor to top floor. Yeah, this one, the first floor to top floor. So as you can see here, I have divided the 4 units into 4 colors: the green, the orange, the blue, and the pink. Okay. So as you can see, the back two units are very small. But this one is kind of big, the front one. This got a veranda, and every unit has some sort of, veranda facilities. Although they are small, but some sort of, this one, that one. So okay, the lift and go there, and this is the kitchen and master bed. So you can have the idea that what's going on. I mean, the master bed and a kitchen and drawing, dining, toilets. Okay. But every unit has some sort of veranda facilities there, and also, in front and there. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, right now this is also, if I hit M, the all the measurements are gone. If you hit M again, all the measurements are come again. Okay, with the transparency of this thing. And then if you want to see the floor with furniture, the same floor with the furniture, you can see here I put several kind of, you can see the bed, and you can see a human scale there. I use the human for this. I mean, actually the mannequin is there. Okay, so this is like fridge, and the stove and all that. So it's like very congested thing, but these kind of units are quite okay for, students, bachelors, or maybe not suitable for a big family. You see how the dining facilities there, you see the couch there and all that. So it's like very simply things, and all the things you can see. There are no textures. Actually, textures I put for the final version, but this one is just for the demo, as I said. That's why you can see these kind of things. Okay. So with this view, you can have an idea that how the furnitures and how the arrangement should look like, and this one have a veranda facilities also. So this unit is a quite big unit. And then finally is a complete building with the rooftop. Rooftop has some sort of, activities remaining, kind of like a rooftop garden and all that. But I skip this part actually. But you get the idea. This is the ground floor. This is the first floor. Ground floor with the measurement. First floor with the measurements and unit setup, and also this one is with the furniture. This one is complete, and this one is the main menu. So guys, this is all. By the way, I hope you like this one, and you hope I actually hoping this one you like so much actually. And if you need this kind of project, this kind of interactive architectural project, you can always connect with me. If you have this kind of projects, you can connect with me. You can DM me, or you can approach to me. Anyway, either way, I will be happy to help to convert your architectural project into from the static, or kind of like only fly through video, to convert it in an interactive way. This one actually you can consult with your clients more effectively, rather than a video, or rather than only the image things. Okay. So your client will be impressed by seeing this kind of thing. So I think you like my project actually, huh? So I will come again. That's all, guys. I will come again with another exciting project of mine. So keep watching and keep sharing my project. And finally, if you need help, please don't hesitate to connect with me. Don't hesitate to consult with me. Thank you very much. Thank you.